Hi, 8th graders. After reading your two big writing pieces over the last couple of months, I've been looking at some of the things that we can take care of in a short order. So we're going to be doing some really quick mini lessons every day, starting off with commonly confused words. So the first set of words that we're going to look at are the famous two, and two, and then we're also going to be looking at there, and there. So for each of these mini lessons, you're going to watch a real short video from me, and then there'll be an exercise that I'll want you to complete for each lesson. So good luck. So we're going to be starting with two, and two. So the first two, to, is a preposition, and typically to shows position, location, place, or it connects a noun to a verb. So in this example, I want to go to the store. The first two connects the verb, the noun I, to want to go. So I want to go to the store. It kind of connects the subject to the predicate. The second to shows direction or position. Where do I want to go? I want to go to the store. So to typically is used to show position, location, or place, and it also connects a noun to a verb, and it is a preposition. The second to, too, is an adverb, and typically it is used to substitute for words like really, very, and also. So in the sample, my shoes are too big. In this case, too big means they're really big or they're very big. In the second part of the sentence, her sweater is too big too. Her sweater is very big. Her sweater is really big. And then the second to after the comma means also. So if I could substitute too with any of these words, I might read it this way. My shoes are very big. Her sweater is really big also. So too is an adverb and typically is used to substitute for the adverbs really, very, or also. The last form of to is two, which is an adjective, and two is a quantity. You'll see that there are two footprints, 1, 2. So that is a mathematical quantity, meaning that there are two of something. So to is a preposition showing position, location, or place. Too is an adverb that can be used to substitute for really, very, or also. And two is an adjective that demonstrates a quantity, 2 items. Next, we're going to take a look at there, and there. So with our there, and there commonly misused words, there is an adverb, and it shows where something is. So the cat is sleeping over there. Where is it? It's over there. There are 21 kids in the class, so that's showing that there are the location of the 21 kids. So there is an adverb. So next we have there, their, and there, their, is a possessive pronoun, meaning it belongs to them. So 2 or more people, 2 or more animals, whatever. So their car ran out of gas. The car belongs to them, therefore it is their car. Lastly, we have there, they, and that is a contraction, and a contraction is when you take 2 complete words, you take out a letter or 2, and you shorten the word, and they' is actually a contraction, meaning they are. So in this sample, they're leaving school at noon, if you can replace there with they are, then you have the correct spelling. They are leaving school at noon can be replaced with there, they'. And I'm going to share with you just a kind of a little meme that really will help you understand, and kind of a visual to help you understand the difference between there, their, and they'. So this little meme, I guess you'd call it, shows you that there, their, it belongs to them. It has people in the middle. Instead of the I, it has a person. There, the R turned into an arrow because there shows a location or place. And they', they've substituted the apostrophe with a little a to show you that that form of there actually means they are. So after watching this lesson, what I want you to do is go on and do real quick mini activity in this lesson. So open up the document and good luck.